3 years ago, a vision was born to redefine innovation in the semiconductor industry. From a small team of passionate engineers to a growing family of innovators, we now have over 95 engineers across Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Raipur, driving excellence in every project we deliver. At Silicon Patterns, we are your turnkey partner for end-to-end VLSI and embedded services. Our service offerings empower ideas to take shape: silicon engineering, product engineering, and virtual platforms AI engineering. In-house training keeps our engineers ahead in technology, performance, and precision, driving consistent excellence. Guided by a strong management team and engineers from India's premier IITs. The innovators, problem solvers, and thinkers who make Silicon Patterns what it is today. As we celebrate 3 incredible years, we thank our team, clients, and partners for being part of this journey.